Hello everyone and welcome to CapCut for social media video editing. Today is our 16th lesson and our lesson topic is TikTok video with CapCut. So in this class you'll be learning about how to create TikTok videos with the help of CapCut desktop app. So now let's go over to the CapCut desktop app and see how we're going to create one. So after coming over to the CapCut, you'll have this type of interface. So in this place, we are going to add our particular video. So let's click on this and it will just take us to our download section. I just downloaded one particular video. So let's select that particular video over here. I'm going to use this one. So let's select this and it will take some time to load. Now we can see our particular video is here. Let's play this one and you can see it's a night sky with Milky Way. And it's a time lapse. So now let's put it over here. It will take some time to load. Then we'll be adding some effects over here. Like let's go over to the effect. Let's add a particular effect over here. You can use a glow or this one. I want to use some thundering so it will look nice. Now let's wait for the loading. So now you can see our particular effect is over here. Now let's adjust our particular effect. Adjust it, speed, stickers also is okay. Now let's go and play this one. You can see this one is quite slow. So let's make it fast. Let's go over to the speed once again. Let's add this one. Fade will decrease a little bit. Twist also will decrease. So now let's play once again. Now we can see our particular video is ready. Now let's go and add a music over here. So let's go over to the music. We'll add this one only. You can just add any music you want, like if you want to add some thundering sound or some nice sound also, you can just use over here. Let's split this one and delete this particular part. And now let's go and hear this one. Now you can see our particular video is having the sound, the effect, you can add stickers. Now one main thing you have to do, you have to adjust the ratio because we are making this thing for TikTok. So we need to adjust the ratio. Let's click on the ratio. We have to select 9:16. This is the perfect ratio for our TikTok video. Select this, zoom this one. If you want to align, you can align this. I'll keep like this and now let's play. Now you can see our particular video is ready. Now let's click on export and it will start exporting. Let's change the file name to TikTok and let's click on export. So it will take some time to export. After that, you can just post it over your TikTok account. So I hope you all understand about this class. If you're having any doubt, you can just ask us. We'll be able to help you. Till then, take care. Goodbye.